Hey, could you even take a walk into my twisted thoughts? Sit down with me, dog, and have a little crooked talk. They call me Bobby K, cause of how the way I walk. My brain is gone, so watch the way I choose to bark. I'm like a pit, I got a locked jaw, check it out. They be like, damn, Bob, don't you shut your fucking mouth. I be like, hell nah, deep down out the trailer house. I come from Coleman District, yeah, you know I run the town. They be like, man, hear that boy come up in all black. I shut them down, cause they know I stay fucking strapped. And if they got a problem, they know where I'm fucking at. I'm on a hilltop, posted in the fucking trap. Yeah, and if they really understood, then they would know that this game right here, dog, is in the hood. I'm posted up, what's good? I'm posted up smoking wood. And if they see me, dog, then they know that I'm gonna hood.